Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you forgotten your passcode and tried to unlock your iPad several times without success? Eventually, your iPad will display an unavailable notice and become inaccessible. In this video, I will show you how to reset your iPad passcode using a method that doesn't involve connecting your device to a computer and doesn't risk losing any data. Let's go. Please take note that if the Find My service was not activated on your device, this method won't work for you. You can find a tutorial on our channel to learn how to erase it by connecting to your computer. Otherwise, please check the following steps. The best thing about this method is that you can simply use any browser on a spare device you have and sign in with your Apple ID at icloud.com/find. Once signed in, select the device you want to reset. Click Erase this device, and follow each prompt to completely reset it. The device will automatically begin wiping your data remotely if it's online. Otherwise, the reset will start as soon as it connects to the internet. Please note that resetting your device through Find My does not remove the activation lock that protects your device. After the reset, your device passcode is removed, but your Apple ID and password are still required to reactivate your iPad. As for your data, you can easily restore your device if you have it backed up to your iCloud account or saved one to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.